Okay, this is the security testing for the website on iteration2. And here, let's check the certificate first. Certificate is valid, and here's the details. Okay, here's valid to August of 2020. Here's the information of the certificate. Okay, and also the website shows the connection is secure. Let's check the functions. When I randomly type the email address, it can validate it's not a correct email address. So if I type this, yes, and if I type the password randomly, and it will check as the email login attempt, and then go to the register page, and if I type in the email randomly, password randomly, and it will say the email file is not a valid email address, and the password two password I type in is not matched. So okay, I think if I change like this, and password like 12346. Sorry, register. The password is too simple, so it asks me to type in a more secure password. Okay, and okay, that's the security testing of the website, and I think this website is roughly secure enough. Thank you.